Prime Minister Andrew Holness is cautioning road users to be extra vigilant while traversing the nation's roadways following a spate of traffic accidents over the last few days.
There is no need to be reckless. There is no need to be irresponsible. You will get to where you're going even if you drive a little bit slow, even if you drive with greater care, even if you stop and allow someone else to go. There is no need for this kind of abandonment of responsibility which we are seeing emerging post-pandemic. It is so sad to see the accidents that are happening and the loss of life and labor.
He says there will be greater enforcement of the new Road Traffic Act and has strong words for those riding bikes without helmets.
We don't want to hear about the system fighting against us. That's very tired and played out. It is stupid to ride a bike without a helmet, and that's what it is.
The Prime Minister was speaking at a groundbreaking event in the parish of Trelawney.